Okay, hi, good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm good. What about you?
I'm pretty well. So, Akansha, what do you do? Can you introduce
Ye-
yourself firstly? Because we're
Yes,
meeting very first time.
yeah, of course. My name is Akanksha. I'm talking from New Delhi, and
Okay.
in this time I'm housemaker as well as I'm YouTuber, small YouTuber you can say,
Mm-hmm.
where I post conversation video, English
Okay.
conversation video, and
Okay.
my channel name is World of English with Akanksha.
Okay. All right. That's great.
And if I talk about my qualification, I have completed my post graduation in political science
Mm-hmm.
before marriage.
Okay.
Yeah, and my interest, my hobbies are listening music, cooking,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and yeah, and talking with the new people. Yeah, that's all
Right.
about me.
Okay. Okay. So, apart from this, can I introduce myself as well? Because we are
Yes,
meeting very first time.
yes, of course.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Anamika Rai. Okay, I'm from here, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, and also I've completed my graduation, and I also have the 2 year experience in the corporate sector job. And currently, I'm not working, and also I'm running my YouTube channel, but there is a very few videos. I think shorts videos are available, but YouTube some videos you can get 1 or 2 videos. But since I'm running from the July, so I'm not consistently using because apart from this, I'm also having other works as well, my personal works. So this is all about me. So my channel name is Passion Academy. Anyways, you can check that. Okay. So I will
Oh,
tell you later on.
and in which subject have you completed your graduation?
I've completed BTech from electronics. Yes. So Akanksha, so your hobby is the cooking and listening music. So which kind of music you want to listen, prefer mostly?
I prefer listen to music, romantic music.
Okay,
And
so this is all mix up. This is a totally depend on the
yeah,
mood. What is the mood you
yeah.
having? By the way, who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Lata Mangeshkar. Was
Okay,
she was passed away, na? But
okay,
in
yes,
this
yes,
time,
definitely.
I like Sonu Nigam.
Okay,
Yeah.
melodious voice. Both Lata Mangeshkar and Sonu Nigam is the king of all the singing field. So yeah, everyone having the like everyone I think some everyone having the same kind of Lata Mangeshkar and Sonu Nigam. We can't compare to these two genius, buddy, to any other singer. Yeah, definitely everyone having the unique quality, and they are also singing very well. But someone is different, like Lata Mangeshkar is totally
Yes,
okay.
her voice was mm, not a match. Nobody can match
Not
her voice. Yes, no
yes,
comparison.
definitely. Oh, yes, yes, definitely. Do you have also kid?
Yes, I have two kids, one daughter and one son. Younger one is my son,
Okay,
and elder one
okay.
my daughter. Yeah. And what about you? Do you have kids?
No, no, I don't have kid. Actually, I recently just I got married.
Okay, that's good.
Yes,
And in this time, you can grow yourself. It means you can enhance your communication skills. There's just so many
yes,
things you
yes,
can do in this time because
yes.
when you will have a kid, that time you will have a lot of responsibility to do. That time
Yes.
it may
After
be
marriage, we also, it's like day by day, we are getting the more responsibility, like, right? And this is
yes.
totally the phase change our before marriage and after marriage. Yes. So we can, we are married people, so we can change the difference. Yeah, absolutely
Yeah,
right.
yeah. And when will you have your kid? That time you will have a lot of responsibility too.
Yes,
That time it
definitely.
may be possible to doing outside and doing any job. That time we have to first of all
Hmm.
think about our kids, then we can go. Otherwise,
Yes, yes. That will be the our priority first, na? kids and then other things important because
Yeah.
kids safety and proper take care is very necessary. And we can also can't trust to any maid, yeah, any kind of servants we can't trust. And yeah, families also take care of the kids, but mother and father is kind mother role is a totally different without because also kids looking for the mother. They take care
Yes.
and feeding proper, she knows the time, so role is increases.
Okay.
So
And can I talk your experience about your marriage? It means before marriage, what was your experience, and after marriage, what are you feeling? Think
of
different.
course,
Can
of
we talk?
course.
Can
Yes,
we talk?
totally different. It was actually, yes, yes, definitely, because it's a general topic. Before marriage, we are, I'm not saying it very irresponsible, but we are not care about anything. If I have mother, any family member saying is do this, okay, I will do. But in-laws family, if someone is doing it, do this work, so we have to do right now, okay, on that particular, and we can't delay or can't
Yes.
procrastinate. No, I will do later on. So this is the procrastinating things we are not doing here. So we have to do on the time and very like good proper manner, right? So this is not only for the work and other things. If someone is ill, so you also have to ask, ki, are you okay? And ask from your side, okay? And proper take care. And if someone is not thinking anything, so you have to like uh, have to take care. Have to only stand up on the one feet and take care all around things going. Not for the kitchen later. Everything is you have to manage this thing a responsibility. If you will have the childless, maybe some relatives they will ask, this is a very childless kind of daughter-in-law having. And if you're very responsible, you're not laughing. So otherwise, your society will also just they just point out, yeah, she is a very serious kind of, she is not very laughing kind of personality. And if you're laughing, she is very childish. So you have to mix and balance all this thing, right?
Yes.
So we get to know after marriage ki how to be balanced on the time. So on the situation, according situation, we will have to just change ourselves,
Yes, of course.
person to person. Mm.
Yes, and before marriage, we can say about our life, it was totally different. It means not a totally different, but it means we no need to take about our cooking, no need to wake up early morning, no need to
Yeah.
doing any work on time. This types of
Still
responsibility we
now,
didn't have.
still now,
We didn't have.
I'm not saying I'm not the late person, and also I'm not the like kind of morning person. I'm not have both personality. I'm the mix up of both of the things, morning as well late. Sometimes what I'm having, I just wake up, get up at morning, early morning, like 5 to 4, 4:30, 5:30. It's not fixed, but sometimes happen. Sometimes it's also just I wake up more than more than this. I'm not can't disclose the timing, but yeah, later. Okay, so I will just wake up lately. So this is it's dependent totally on the work when I just go to the bed. So this is
Yes,
what is
it's
your
happened.
routine, by the way?
Yes, it's happened when you delay in a, especially in a morning time, when you delay your work in a special morning time, and when you get up
Yes.
early, when you get up very late in the morning time, it's a already all work will be doing very late.
Go, yes, yes, yes. This is our thinking is going to because you also spend some times like, yeah, as I wake up very lately. I wake up very lately. So it's happened while just we are doing. And if we because it's a good thing, so everyone should wake up in the early morning. And so also we have I also have the experience, same thing. I just when I get up in early morning. So I will seek everything just completed before on the time, and I will have the ample amount of time to work on other things to do. So it will be happens. Oh, genuine.
Yeah. If I talk about myself, I'm a person who want to get up early morning all the time since my
Mm.
childhood. It's not my
Okay.
habits of after marriage. It's a habit of my childhood habit, getting up
Okay.
early morning. And
Okay.
yeah, that's why I don't have any problem
Mm-hmm.
to get up early morning, no
Mm-hmm.
matter I sleep at late night or not. Just my eyes automatically open early morning. When I think before sleeping,
Mm-hmm.
no, I have to get up early morning around 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Whenever I want
Mm-hmm.
to get up early morning, that time my eyes automatically open. No need to any alarm.
Mm-hmm.
This is my good habit,
Mm.
which is I have.
Yes, it is developed from the childhood. Yes, correct.
Yes, it's already developed because of I'm a
All right.
person always want to get up early morning. If I
Mm-hmm.
got if I slept at night very late, however, my eyes automatically open. This is my good
Okay.
habit I can say about
Yes,
myself.
that's
That's
a very good
why
habit.
when I used to live with my in-laws, that time
Mm.
I didn't have any problem to getting up early morning, and that's why I complete my all works, household work in the
Okay.
early morning. And in this time also, I live with
Mm.
my husband in New Delhi, just because
Okay.
of my husband doing work here. That's why.
Okay. All right.
and
Mm-hmm.
and that's why if I live with my husband, I want to sleep late. I want to sleep late, but I don't want, because of I'm a already person who want to get up early morning, as I told you. That's why I also here also get up early morning. And that's why
Okay. No,
and when I started my time,
definitely.
that is the possible, because I have already two kids, and there's so many houses work which is I have to do
Definitely.
every day on time, because
Mm-hmm.
making food, doing dishes, lot of work I have to do.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why I want to save my time for myself, also for my channel also. That's why. And I can say that there's no much more changes after marriage, I can say that,
Oh,
because
sweet.
yes,
Yeah,
I'm a
that's
habitual.
great.
Yes,
You
I'm
are
a
habitual
habitual.
from your childhood.
Yeah,
Mm.
and
Since your
because
childhood.
main
Yes,
thing,
it
and
will be happening.
after marriage, there is no changes. But when I go my mother's house,
Mm-hmm.
my brother's house, that time I feel little bit lazy, because of there's no any responsibility to do on time.
Yes, definitely. Yes, yes, it
because there
happened
is a,
naturally.
because there is my mother, there's my bhabhi already to do any work, and
Mm.
she already present for myself. That time no need to any work, doing any work. Whenever I feel like doing any work, that time I do, otherwise no. That time I take rest, otherwise watch movie, everything whatever I want to
Oh,
do.
it's happened. Yeah, it's happened. Yes, truly, and it's truth also. For because we are also know that someone is present for already, and before we are saying anything, they understand and they complete whatever we have work they do for us, our parents, our that
And
this we have the decision.
do you live with your in-laws, or just you live with
Yes,
your?
I'm living. Yes, I'm living. That's fine. I have a lot of responsibility on the time, but I'm blend of both things lately, and this is totally depend how to work previous day is spent for me. So accordingly, just I will do. But I'm not too much lately person. Yeah, not too much early. Just I try wake up, but it's average time. Just in the morning time, just I wake up for myself. So
As
apart
I told,
from this, other works as well. So yes, I'm here.
because when we got married, that time we have already lot of responsibility on your soul, on our
Mhm.
shoulder. That time if we think about our job, that time it quite hectic for us, because of we are all women, and we have already a lot of household work. And especially when we live with our in-laws, that time we have to take care of them also. And
Everything will be on the scheduling timing, not you can't
yes,
delay the proper.
and and husband also, if you don't give your time for your husband, that time you feel very regret, no, I'm not giving my time for my husband. And
Yes.
there's so many family member, if you don't give your time with everybody, if you have to give your time with
Mm,
everyone, because sometime you will have to live with your devrani jethani, it means you will have to give your time with
everyone.
everyone. That time you make your
Yes.
relationship better. Otherwise, if you do your work and that time you go in your room, this is not a good way to
Yes, it will be why
after
it's
marriage.
happened when
If
you live. Yes, we live the separately, we living lonely and with your husband. So that time you can do whatever you want to do. But same thing, whatever you were saying, so it's happened naturally because you also feel this thing. Ki, yes, I am not giving things, not giving the timing. So everything is not going. No, I'm just not going to attach with anyone, right? And some is also thinking, yes, he's busy, so they will do whatever they want to do, and you're not aware about anything. Okay, so it's kind of thing. If you will be involved in anything, you're also going to be more connected with your, just because we are not kind of thingness or marriage, we are not aware and will not get to know very well how's the in-laws family, every person nature, and how's they, if you're going to be attached more and more, so they will, if you going to be give the love and timing, so they will also do same thing, they will revert back, right? If you're not going, you will busy and lonely, so same thing will be happen. They will think, she's busy, I'm not going to disturb her. And they will also think and will not going, so many things it will, because when I was working, so many things that happened in at my home and I was not aware of it. So why when it will be just completed, and when it happened, it's like I'm not aware. Okay, you was working at that time, okay. Kind of
yes,
things
yes, it
happen
happened.
along. So
Yeah,
I
you are
missed a
saying
lot
right.
of things, a lot of some enjoyment I missed. So I'm not saying ki, this is not good thing ki you have to. This is totally depend everyone's situation, and this is totally depend everyone's call. I'm not against the working and in-laws family. This totally everyone individual what they want or can their perspective, their choice. Career is also too much important. Family is also too much important. You have to just keep balancing both the things. But here just I am living with the in-laws family, with the whole family. So for me it's totally is kind of quite challenging for me. So yes, for my call it was so. Okay, Akansha, so very nice to meet you.